Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm outside in my garden and I want to show you that I planted the blue chai flower on my gate. Blue chai flower, they are creeping plant, right? So plant on the gate and let it grow along the gate. And one more thing, we can pluck the flower for cooking. So for today, I'm going to pluck the blue chai flower to make tea for the afternoon tea. One thing blue chai you have to pluck every day. The more you pluck, the more they will grow. So I have been collecting blue chai for the past 1 week, and I have a lot in my fridge as well. So I always collect. When I collect enough, and then I will make the tea. Okay, this much of the blue chai flower that I have, but anyway, I have collected a lot. So now we're going to pluck the tamarind leaf. This is a tamarind leaf. I plant the tamarind plant just to take the leaf, so I don't allow them to grow. I cut it, so every time when the young leaf come out, I will pluck like this. Let me put this one down first. I'll pluck the leaf like this. This one is hard to pluck. We're gonna cut it, so the young leaf, the more I cut, the more they will grow, so don't allow them to grow. I have been cutting every other 2 days, so they cannot grow very quickly. But anyway, I have cut it and keep it in the fridge. Alright, so we have blue chai flower and tamarind leaf. Now we're gonna make tea. Alright, this is the blue chai flower that I plucked today, and also the young tamarind leaf that I plucked today as well. But in this box, the blue chai flower and also young tamarind leaf that I have been collected every day for about 7 days. So I'm going to take it out. We're going to separate them. This is 1 week collection. It's quite a lot, right? So for the young tamarind leaf, I'm going to put it in the bigger tray. Put in the fridge and the color will change a little bit. Like this is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it first, then we can go and cook it. These are all of the ingredients I'll be used. I have already washed the blue chai and the young tamarind leaf. I have a handful of pandan leaf. This is about 8 to 10 leaves that I cut it into smaller pieces. And I also have 1 block of gula melaka. This weighs about 250 grams. Put 3 liters of water in the pot. Switch on the heat. Put in all the leaves and the flower. Put in the whole block of the gula melaka. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. Alright, the tea is boiling. It's boiling vigorously, and the whole block of gula melaka have already melted. So I'm going to continue to boil like this for about half an hour. Alright, the tea has been boiling for half an hour. Let's take a look. Nice. Very nice color and very nice fragrance of the pandan leaf and also the young tamarind leaf. So I'm going to switch off the heat and we're going to leave it here to cool. Then after that we can drain out all the flower and the leaf. Then we can have a very nice tea for tea time. I have ice tray here, so I'm going to put in the ice. Put a lot of ice so that it will be very, very cold and refreshing. In this kind of hot weather, this drinks that we need. Let's drink. Cheers. Wow, it is so refreshing with the sweetness from the gula melaka and the sourness from the young tamarind leaf. There is also a strong fragrance of the pandan leaf, which is very aromatic. When you drink it cold, it's really satisfying for the hot afternoon like this. It's a simple and healthy drink that you can do it lovely. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more of my simple homemade drinks like this. Thank you and bye-bye.